Hello, hello, my beloved waking gods and goddesses. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Love, Truth, and Beauty. Do it yourself for divine in the flesh. Now with replays on IGTV at dakini.kiss, where together we learn how to surf and navigate the ups and downs of the totality of human experience, composing a new earth beyond the limitations of this perception-managed reality matrix of 5 senses, having discovered our true divine creative natures and our true sensual sensorial world of 7 senses, creating formless into form. Before we get started, please do give this video a thumbs up. Please also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, selecting the all setting so that when I upload new videos, the YouTube will let you know. I generally upload Tuesdays and Fridays, 2 p.m. Eastern. My name is Maria West, and I am your hostess of the highest, here to download, upload, inspire, and usher you into your bestest and brightest light, your bestest and brightest selves, and inviting you all to open your hearts wider and wider and wider still. Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to episode 83, and this is part 2 of our continuing conversation on conscious sexuality, having exited the matrix, that is, no longer following or adhering to any automated scripts and behaviors and programs of sexual enslavement, or the war between the masculine and feminine, or men and women, or any other divide and conquer agendas and programs as promulgated by the powers that want to be within the matrix. And in this video, I am sharing a really fun, effective, and cathartically serious as fuck do-it-yourself clearing ritual exercise that you can utilize over and over again and again and engage to dissolve and heal the intense collective pain body or specific one-off traumatic events, interactions from the energetic sexual deposits and projections of any sexual encounter or intrusion that you engage in or didn't want to engage in, that endeavors to deplete you or harsh your mellow or tries to tell you who and what you are and what you deserve. It's called the body painting clearing ritual. This is an extremely effective, powerful process and engages your superpowers of your first and second chakras, utilizing their respective colors of red and orange, the colors and elements associated with fire and with earth and with harvest and with rebirth. You will need to purchase from an art supply store some non-toxic body paints in red and orange and perhaps several protective painting tarps, which can be plastic or in canvas. Okay, so here is a sample of the red paint. Okay, I know this light is bright. Okay, there's the red. Here is the orange. Okay, so just to give you an idea, I will have some links down in the description box. Okay, so the process is actually quite simple, my love. So the first step is you're going to put on some music that invokes intense emotion that represents the totality of the way you feel about a certain event or a certain sexually dysfunctional pattern that you're aware of, or a certain person you want to clear out of your morphogenic field, your energy field, your auric field that surrounds your physical body regarding your sexuality, regarding an event, an encounter. Okay, step 2, you are going to strip down and remove all your clothing and using the body paints. Now make sure that your carpets, your floors, your furniture are protected by the tarps. Okay, step 3, you are going to paint your body. And I want you to trust your sixth chakras, superpower of intuition, to show you how much, and where to paint your body, with the intention to clear and purify any dark and discordant, distorted energies left over from any event, from being touched inappropriately, or perhaps being manhandled, woman-handled, or perhaps you've been obsessed and addicted with being touched by an abuser or a cheater or a user, whatever. Okay? Step 4, whatever your circumstance, this body painting clearing ritual is so good. Okay, so you may want to cover your breasts, your belly, your butt, your genitals, your legs, your hips, wherever, your face, your neck, your hair, wherever you feel it, go there. Okay, now after you paint your body, you need to allow the body paint to dry, and it'll get kind of cakey. And what you're going to do is you're going to dance around in wild abandon. You're going to cry. You're going to journal. You're going to draw. You're going to do whatever it is that you feel is appropriate for you. Okay? These are just general guidelines. So whatever you feel is appropriate, go for it. Okay? There is no right or wrong way to do this. And when you're ready, you're going to get into a hot shower and you're going to wash off the paint and imagine all your pain and suffering and disempowerment and any kind of energetic, physical, sexual, mental, psychic, energetic assaults going down the drain, where it is transformed. All your pain and suffering is transformed into healing and empowerment for yourself and for other humans suffering the similar pain. Okay? You're going to be using either fragrant soaps and shampoos, wash your hair, wash your body, cleanse yourself, use a loofah, a washcloth, some gentle scrubber, okay, whatever you want, use it. And when you're complete, this is step 7, you're going to get out of the shower and you're going to slather yourself. You're going to anoint your body with a nice lotion or with a specific body oil, anointing oil, loving yourself and appreciating yourself, trusting your healing and wholeness. Step 8, celebrating your renewed innocence and purity of heart, mind, and body with your soul. This is that coordination with your divinity. Step 9, you are going to declare 10 times, Aham Prema, I am divine love. 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 I will include in the description box some links to some pampering and anointing oils. Okay, my darlings, that is my speech. Nice and quick. Do give this video a thumbs up. Please comment on your experiences with this in the comments box below, or you can email me in private. Let me know how it goes for you, or if you have any other suggestions for any other clearing ritual. Please share this video with your community's friends and family members and social media platforms, and with folks with whom you feel would benefit from this content. Please also hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, selecting the all setting so that the YouTube will let you know when I upload next. And if you find value, enjoy, or benefit from my videos and from my content, won't you please consider supporting my work through a donation? My PayPal link is below, as with my link to all the stuff that connects you to all of my work and the ways you can connect and work with me. That is the Linktree link. I thank you all so much for your participation and focus attention. I really do appreciate it. So until next time, be the love that you are. Share your love. Always act from love, from your center screen. Be creative, be kind, be helpful, be generous, and give, 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 knowing that your reception is who you are as a loving, kind, generous being in your masculine and feminine in balance. Here's to love, truth, and beauty, my lovey doves. Mwah!